Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to automate your order to delivery process with Paystack Store and then Sendbox. So Paystack Store, this automation is useful for Paystack store owners and merchants who want to automatically send or schedule their deliveries to new orders using a fulfillment tool. And the fulfillment tool we'll be using for this example is Sendbox. So Sendbox is a fulfillment tool that allows you schedule orders and deliver products to your customers. And so let's say you have a Paystack store, you run a Paystack store, and you sell products, and you want to reduce the time spent on delivering your product. So we can set up a simple workflow to automate that process for you. So we start by clicking create workflow here, and click on add a trigger. So a trigger is what starts your workflow. And in this case, we want to use the pay. You can search for a pay stack and then click on the new order trigger. So this triggers the workflow whenever a new order is made in your account. So then you select your Paystack account. So if you I already have an account connected. If you don't, you can click connect and connect another account and then paste your Paystack secret live key here to activate it. But I already have mine connected, so I choose my account. And then you click on continue setup condition. So if you want to set up a condition, you can, but in this case, it's not necessary. So we just go ahead to test the trigger. So when you click on test the trigger, it attempts to check for sample data in your Paystack orders. So this is going to pull out a sample order that we can work with just to test that our connections are working properly. And here we have a sample order, customer first name, Anakin, customer last name, Skywalker, and all the other details, including the address. So then you can continue to set up action. So the next step is the action. And in this case, the action we want is to create a shipment in Sandbox. So yeah, you can either scroll up to Sandbox or just search for Sandbox. So and then we're going to be using the create shipment action. So here you also select your Sandbox account. So I already have mine connected. You can click on connect another account or connect account if you don't have it connected yet. And so here we basically want to map the data from Paystack store to Sandbox. And we just fill in the details. Starting with the compulsory data here with the asterisk. Origin name, that is the name of where the shipment is coming from. So that is typically the name of your store. So I'll call my ABC store. Origin phone, I'll put my phone number there. Origin street. Origin street, so let's say Adekunle Banjo Street, Lagos. Origin city, I'll put Ikeja, origin state Lagos, origin country Nigeria. So here we want to fill the destination name. So this will be filled with data coming from the Paystack store new order. So destination name, we come to the Paystack new order and select the name. So I have first name. I can as well put last name there. Destination phone. So I would come here and also select the phone number from the data coming. Destination street. So I would go to the shipping street line. Destination city. I would go to the shipping city. Destination state. I'll go to state. Destination country. So you can as well just put Nigeria or select that. Weight. So here we can put an estimated version of the date. And item source. So we basically select the source of the items we are, and which is the Paystack new order. So this brings out the fields to map data in below. So here we're going to map the item name. So you can scroll down to item name to map item name, quantity to quantity, and weight. So let's say it's 2. Amount, you can put the amount here and value. You can also put the amount. So this sends the data to. So when I click on test action, it sends the sample data, test data to Sendbox to create a shipment. And so this confirms that our connections are correct. So we will receive a response here. So it's currently loading the data to Sendbox. Yeah, and the action is successfully created. So you have successfully created a shipment in Sendbox. So we can save our workflow and name it. So I can call it a new Paystack orders to Sandbox and save. So I've successfully created the workflow. So anytime and it is on. So anytime that happens. So if you come to Sandbox, you'll be able to see the shipment created here. So if I see payments, so you see this is the last shipment we made as at 11 a.m. May 18. So we have a shipment successfully created. So whenever there's a new shipment on Paystack, it successfully creates the order there. Thank you.